Alright, this is the newest camera in the X-T line from Fuji, the X-T5, and I just wanted to give an overview as a very amateur photographer on how I like this camera. For context, I'd used a Fujifilm camera before. I came from the X-T3, which is a couple models before this, and that really got me into this. So this is the latest camera that I purchased to replace the X-T3, and so far, I love it. As a beginner, I find it's very hard when things are hidden behind screens and dials. I want everything to be accessible at all times. And when you're learning photography, people always say that you just want to focus on the three basic things. You want to focus on the shutter speed, which is this dial right here on the right. You want to focus on the ISO, which is here on the left. And you want to focus on the aperture, which is going to be on your lens. With these three things easily accessible like they are now, it allows me to quickly make adjustments as I'm shooting without having to dive deep into different menus like other cameras. So for that reason alone, I think this is a very good camera for somebody looking to get into photography. The design is very cool too. It's got this retro flair to it, which I really love. The body is very comfortable to hold. You can see on this side here, it's got a nice grip for your fingers. It has a foldable screen that actually comes out in a couple different ways, which is nice. So if you're taking photos of something low, you can angle the screen towards you. Otherwise, you can just shoot normally like this. There's a ton of lenses that are available for this camera as well, and it actually uses something called the X-mount system. So for this one, I have a Fuji lens on it, but there's also some third-party lenses you can buy if you want to save some money. Overall, this is going back to the roots of Fujifilm, which is all about photography. People complained about the X-T4 because it was more video-focused, so this is trying to get back into that camera for, the real photographers. So if you're looking to pick up a camera and learn how to use it in an easy way with a small compact body and some of the best film simulation in the game, I think this is going to be the best pick.